Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today we are going to be starting some flowers and also a bit of a seed haul. So there is a new seed company that I just found out about. I had asked in the local group, I'm like, where can I get some Lisianthus seeds? So I found a place that had a good price on the seeds and also on the shipping, which was great. So it was like $4.50, I want to say $4.50, $4.99 for shipping. So I bought 2 packs of Lisianthus, and for some reason I ordered the same one. I thought I was ordering 2 different varieties, but I did not. So Voyage Pink 2, and then a Hollyhock Charters Rose, which I'm excited to try. It looks so pretty. And then this one is Stock Rose Pink. I haven't had much success growing stock. I tried it a few years ago. It didn't go so well, so we are trying it again because Nicole over at Flower Hill Farm grows so much stock and she raves about it all the time, and so I'm jealous. So we're going to be starting those. So these are a Canadian seed company, and I think they're located in Edmonton, Alberta. So we'll be starting those. Well, actually, I'm going to lie. I already started them. I'll show you. They're already upstairs on the thing. I was like, I got the Lizzies and I should have started them last week when they came in, and I just kept putting it off, and so I just did it last night because I thought, I know I'm supposed to be starting it tomorrow and I'm going to be doing this, but if something comes up, it's just got to get done. So in that tray I did a 20 pack of the stock, a 20 pack of the Lizzies, and then just 2 rows, so 10 of the hollyhocks. So I do need to start some other seeds. This is going to be the larkspur, which again, I've never really had great luck with larkspur. I've tried it in the winter sowing containers. It hates me, so we're going to try it in soil blocks this year. This little tray here, another sushi takeout container, is going to be cool flowers. So we are going to go with some larkspur. I have 2 different kinds of straw flowers. So I have these sultane mixed. I don't know, they're pretty. I got sucked in. And then I have snapdragons. So I have apple blossom. Oh, I have another thing with stalks too. And then I have some dwarf alyssum, and then the Northern Lights snapdragons. So probably going to go heavy on the snapdragons, and then some of those others, especially the alyssum, they do really, really well out in the winter sowing container. So I'm going to do 2 rows of each, I think, and we'll just see where we end up. Okay, so I got my first tray of cool flowers going. I did 2 rows of larkspur, 1 row of foxgloves, 1 row of the other mixed stock that I had, 2 of the apple blossom snapdragons, 2 of the Northern Lights snapdragons, and then 1 each of the other 2 strawflower, sultane, and then the other mix. So that is going to get some vermiculite, and then I have the little lid because of the sushi container. And those are going to go upstairs, and I don't necessarily think they need to go on the heat mat, so I might not, depends on if I have room or not. But that means that I am ready to start my full trays of begonias, impatiens, and petunias. I might have to wait on the impatiens because I don't know if I have the seeds I want for that. But I have so many different petunias, so probably figure it all out, and then I'll just give you a tour at the end of the ones that I ended up starting, because you don't need to sit here and watch me pilfer through all of those seeds as well. Kicking it off here in February, so thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye. So let me show you my trays of petunias. So I have 2 full trays of petunia. We're gonna have a lot of petunias, so we're looking at like probably 200 seedlings in these 2 trays easily. And then let's pop down. What else did I show you? Started some trays of, here's my dahlias. They're popping up. We got the mimosas. Not too great on the geraniums. A few on the livingston daisies. It's early days yet. This one over here, nothing on those lizzies yet. But the hollyhocks and the stalks are doing good. And then over here, I don't know why these are so leggy. They've been right under the lights. We have nothing on the larkspur. I don't know. Larkspur hates me. Winter sowing containers or indoors, it's not happy. Foxgloves are doing great. We got some more stalks. The snapdragons are just starting to come out. And then this straw flowers here on the end. They're doing okay. I would say these are probably better for winter sowing containers. And here's my tray of geraniums. No, begonias. Here's my tray of begonias. I have red, pink, and then on the other side I have white, and then I have 2 trays of the angel wing begonias. I mean, two squares of the angel wings. And I think that's everything that I did in that video.